Let us review quadrilaterals. Name two quadrilaterals for each description. First one, four-sided polygon with all equal angles. Name two quadrilaterals which has four sides and all equal angles. Quadrilateral with two set of parallel sides. Quadrilateral with diagonals intersecting at 90 degrees. Quadrilateral with one set of equal acute angle. Quadrilateral with rotational symmetry of 0. So you can pause the video, answer the question. Here are my suggestions. Let's look at our quadrilaterals, right? I'm making them, you can name them. First one, all equal sides, is a square. Then we have all four equal angles of 90 degrees. That one is a rectangle. And then we have a parallelogram, two set of parallel sides. And then we could have a parallelogram whose sides are also equal. That's called rhombus. And then we have a trapezoid, which is kind of like this. One set of parallel sides. We are also talking about diamond, or we can also talk about kite shape. So kite is kind of like this. So I purposely made the two together so that you can appreciate their difference. Okay. Now, answer. Four-sided polygon, all quadrilaters are four-sided, with all equal angles. So four-sided with all four equal angles are these two. Here we have 90 degrees, correct? All four 90 degrees. Is it okay? So the answer is square and rectangle, correct? Let me name them. So we have 1 and 2, right? So in this case, the answer is 1 and 2. And you know what is 1? 1 is square. And this one is rectangle, right? Now, quadrilateral with two set of parallel sides. So this is one set of parallel sides. This is another set of parallel sides, and we call this one as parallelogram. Okay, so that is the one. Well, you could also write 1 and 2 in this. There are also two sets of parallel sides. Do you see them? Okay, so these are all parallel sides. So you could also include 1 and 2 in this. How about this one? Here also we have two sets of parallel sides, correct? And that one is a rhombus. 4. So I'll write down 3 and 4 for this, or you could write 1, 2, 3 or 4. All of them have two sets of parallel sides. Quadrilaters with diagonals intersecting at 90 degrees. Well, not many. Here in a square you'll find that the diagonals intersect at 90 degrees, and in a kite also they intersect at 90 degrees. So for the time being, I'm calling these shapes at 5 and 6, and I'm naming this as kite. Okay, so 6 is the one and 1 is the one in which diagonals intersect at 90 degrees. Quadrilaterals with one set of equal acute angle. So only one set of equal acute angle. Well, that angle is actually equal. These two are parallel sides. So one set of acute angle, 5 can work for us, right? 5 is trapezoid. Let me name it here, right? So one set of acute angle, well, we could have one set of acute angle here also, right? So we could name 3 and 5 for this. Quadrilateral with rotational symmetry of 0. That is kind of tricky. Which one is that? That means if I rotate it about a point, then it is never symmetrical to itself. Well, kite is a good example. That is one of them. Could you name another one? The other one is trapezoid, which is option 5. So we have all these options for you, right? So These are the answers for your questions. I hope that helps. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.